Hello, guys.
Oh. Hello, guys. I actually already started filming. We got 2 wishes for an 11:11 because my clock was fast.
Comment down below. Guys, comment down below if you guys do that. Comment down below.
You better do that. Imagination Club does that.
Or the club that imagined things.
Silly girl here is wearing the warmest outfit possible.
How rude.
We are getting to some. That was adorable.
How rude.
I'm gonna call you Michelle all day.
How rude. How rude. How rude. How rude.
Bro wants to eat. He's hungry. We're here at the buffet, obviously.
He literally always hides things in here.
I know you're not allowed slime at Dad's house, but you got all day to have slime with me. Should have gotten the other one. Oh no. No, it is the other one. Yay, you didn't have orange last time. So you've had those 3, but you've never had orange. I didn't screw up. So we're gonna have an icky, sticky, wet day.
I'm actually playing with slime, guys.
Look at that unboxing, guys.
Like I'm playing with slime again.
You gotta make it all warm, I think. It's been cold. But the sparkles are on the bottom. Ooh.
Yummy food.
Yummy food and real food, not gummy food, right?
I'm gonna eat this.
What should a challenge be for the day? Real versus fake. So I don't know. I don't think we have a challenge. I think this is just a vlog. Too hungry to talk yet? We'll come back.
Guys.
She let me cut it in the strip.
Yeah.
Mommy moment. Oh, okay. Still too hungry to talk? Okay. Look at this, guys. It's actually happening. You're making this face.
Bye-bye, Facebook.
Why don't you put it on the side? Oh, there's a nose. Put it on the side and use your finger.
There's my face.
It's winking.
No, you found out a way to make a face.
You're cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. IHOP hooked you up.
Mom, okay, put the camera like really up to my face.
That's ASMR. I can't handle it. I'm sorry.
Judy and Frank sitting in a tree. Yeah. Do you want me to feed you to Jaws? Then take it back. G-N-I-S-S-I-K.
So like half full now? Quarter full? Full? Sugar hasn't kicked in yet, guys.
Welcome to Inhaling with me. Done.
That's a good jello shot, girl. I don't know what to do to that. We're starting you young.
Here, I'll do it again.
Okay. You're gonna be hard to beat when you're older. No, there is. Oreo crumbs and mousse.
My verdict is it's good. What about yours?
My verdict was not with Oreo crumbs. Mousse is supposed to be smooth, not crumbly. You always got to give a food review at a restaurant. We don't have a challenge day, so I just thought of one. This is the
Cinnamon got up.
That's what I was doing. It's the cinnamon challenge, okay? So you're supposed to eat it and not cough. So see if you can bite into the cinnamon part of it and not cough. It did go up your nose though, so technically she laughed about it. Here guys, I'm gonna be sneaky. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, she failed the challenge. Fail.
Guys, comment down below if that counts. Almost everybody laughs when somebody does this.
I know.
I know.
And it wasn't pure cinnamon. It had sugar in it. Is it good after? Okay, comment down below if you can tickle yourself. I don't think you can.
Oh.
Can you tickle yourself?
One thing.
No.
I'm gonna see if I can get this in my mouth. No hands. But I can't use this spoon. That's easy.
Oh my god. Just wait for milk. That is a massive thumbs up. That was, what challenge is that? That's the that's the no hands challenge.
No, exactly.
Mama. go. It
Oh, she said I love you, Mama. Thank you. Nanaimo bar challenge? Nanaimo challenge, all right. It's the Chilliwack Nanaimo challenge.
She's packing up. Yes, dear.
This is our last week of school this week. Wait, what? Or no, 27.
I know, you got like 2 more weeks, dude.
No, hang on.
2.
Today's the 9th. Add 1. That's
You got 2.
26. No.
You got 2.
Because there's 17 on Friday. Then 17 minus 15.
You got a weekend in there.
A week. Or no, that's 2 weeks exactly.
Let's
Comment
go.
down below if you like slime. Comment. And no, like and subscribe if you like slime and you haven't subscribed and liked.
I saw on Magic Box, they made Nutella slime.
What?
I don't know if you can eat it. I'll check it out. If they can, I'll insert the clip here and we'll make it next time.
You have to ask them.
All right. Yeah. Copyright laws.
Nutella. This is actually kind of cool.
Might as well fill them in. Yes, we are back. We're not dining and dashing, okay? We're dining and dashing to my house to get my visa to go back and pay. Massive mom fail, guys.
But I can literally make a bubble slime out of my mouth. Watch.
And I am literally letting this happen. Oh my God. Blow out. Oh. Oh. There's a life hack when you have a retainer, you can't blow gum. There you go, you can't blow bubbles with gum.
Guys, I just counted how many we have. Comment down below how many you think we have.
Ooh. We are on our way to deliver them to our great Grammy, and we're gonna have a great day after that.
Yeah, we're gonna go swim. I personally am excited for this.
Yeah. Reminder to all you lane swimmers out there, show them the conditioner. Put that in before you swim. There's a life hack. Put that in, ooh, sponsor us by the way. Put it in before you swim, and guess what?
Even after.
You don't end up with swimmer's hair, like your mom.
It was really fun, and there was a birthday party and balloons, which I didn't get.
Thank you for the recap, because I forgot to film. Okay, we're going for ice cream. Let's go, because I'm cold. Go, go, go. Gotta remember, do it at the end too, folks. Oh, he did. It's a double scoop. Whoa. Good job, sir. You a happy girl?
At least I'm not crying. I just lost my ice cream.
But it was on the table, and we kind of caught it with our hands. So we're, I offered a redo, but nope, is it yummy?
Yeah.
It's too yummy to get a refill.
Uh-huh.
And Big Brother is doing his Big Brother duty. Thank you, mister.
Thanks, mister. But it's freaking stick into the bag.
Well, Rice Krispies are sticky. Yeah. Nuda. As you always say. You can say it again?
Nuda.
There you go. All right. We're going to sugar up, and then we'll see you.
We're on the way home, and we are doing the outro, and this, I don't know if you could see it properly, but off camera, it literally looks so cool.
There you go. Whoa, that looked cool on camera. By the way, that was super cute when you said off camera. All right.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for subscribing to us. 17 people. Thank you. Bye, guys. Say it. Bye, Felicia.
Oh, I'm not saying it. You say it.
Stay
Bye.
awesome, kids. Bye, Felicia. On the count of 3, let's all say bye, Felicia. 3, 2, 1. Bye, Felicia. Sparkly, like my slime.